morning, Micromep here with your opening bell. There were a couple of topics that I had spoken about yesterday, and I really didn't cover them. So I want to make sure that I touch upon the grains, um, what I did in the grains, and also um, on the leap that I have on Planeteer, being that it's one that's in the news and is actively trading. So let's take a look at the futures. Um, 10 years down, 5 bips. Uh, the dollar is, we have Celsius, hit a low of 70 and it's bounced back and it's at 76. Let's take a look at the dollar. 105, so it's up a little bit. Foreign currencies are mixed. Bitcoin up 100, oil down 50 cents, S&P up 9, gold down 3, uh, hogs up $1, feeders up 32 cents, live cattle up $1.20, small caps up 7, Nasdaq up 14, Dow Jones up 95, natural gas up 2, silver up 3, VIX pretty flat, and the grains, corn 70, they're flat, which is a good thing for an update. Yesterday when I tallied up my trades, um, I just got closed on Caterpillar for a 50% profit. But let's go to yesterday's trades. And I don't remember seeing these trades on the grains. So what I had done on the grains is I saw that the action was to the upside because of the floodings in Brazil. I hadn't seen moves like that in the grains. So I think the move will continue. I might buy some futures, micro futures, which are the micro futures are these right here, XC, XK, XW. If we get a decent pullback, I might do that, maybe. But I do have positions I sold. Put credit spreads in the futures on the bigger contracts because the micros don't have futures. They don't have options, sorry, on the futures. So I did options on ZS, ZW, and ZC. Um, and I know I touched upon that yesterday, but I didn't explain the trade. So corn has an IV rank of corn has an IV rank of 28. So what I did was basically go to the trade tab, short put vertical, and I went out 45 days and I sold the 450, 445 and collected a credit. I did the same for the soybeans, which has an IV rank of 42, and it's only after yesterday's big rally, it's only down $1. And wheat had a big rally too and only down 250. So I did that in those grains. And then the other thing that I spoke about was Planeteer. Let's take a look at Planeteer. It's down 369. So big hit on Planeteer. IV rank crushed. The premiums have been juiced out, taken out. The juice has been taken out. So what did I do? So let's go to the table in Planeteer. I own the 2026 619-day 2 years out. I own the 20 call, which is in the money. I mean, it's taking a hit today. It's down today. I'm down $300. I mean, I'm still up 310, and I'm a long-term believer in Planeteer. Um, I'm down 300 today, but I was up over 600. My P&L, it's like owning stock. It's called poor man's covered call. So what I did was I sold the 2650 that expires this Friday, and I had sold it for, we could take a look at here what the activity tab, PLTR. I sold it for $41. So I'm gonna collect $41. It's gonna expire worthless on Friday, and I keep the $41. And then when we get a bounce back in Palantir, I'll sell another one against my 20 that's in the money. And that's a poor man cover call. I'll probably look for more IV rank and for more upside, and then sell one at the right appropriate time. My long position is taking a hit, but in 2 years from now, I see Palantir higher. So those were two topics that I didn't really touch base on in my prior video. Let's take a look at the trending stuff, and then we'll call it a wrap. Just a short uh, refresher on what I had done. We have Celsius down 5, which we just looked at, and it probably bounced back. Datadog down 9, Jamia up 20, AUPH down 1%, Hims and Her up 5%, Nvidia down 2.5%, Planeteer we just talked about down 14%, Disney down $10, 8%. And those are your trending stocks of this morning. Um, who do we have after the bell today? Still hasn't updated it, but if I look at his Tuesday chart here, looks like we have, I think Rivian already reported. I might have been wrong, but I think it says Rivian there. Arista Networks, Upstart, Win, Lyft, Oxy, Tulio, Toast, Reddit. I can't read this last one. And then tomorrow morning we have Uber, Shopify, Affirm, Toyota, which has been on a tear, Emerson, Perion, EchoStar, and Editas. You all have a great trading day. Invest at your own risk. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great and blessed day.